Hi guys, here is a simple video regarding what exactly 3/4 strategy is all about. We divide each subject, the portion into two parts. First priority part and last priority portion. First priority is nothing but 3/4 syllabus. Last priority is nothing but 1/4 syllabus. Like you can find what exactly 3/4 strategy for CA Inter in our website. You go to srestha4cacma.com, just open free resources, you will find 3/4 strategy related files. Like what exactly this strategy is all about. This is not something new, or this is not something that I invented. This is something we follow right from our childhood, right from our school. Like simple, in your school, what you have done, what you actually did in your school, if you just recollect, every student almost in your school level or college level, you would have studied 70 to 80% of the syllabus very good. Some 2 to 3 chapters in every subject, every student is not that good, either because they were absent or because they felt something, it is not for them. Yes or no? So what we did is, entire syllabus in CA Inter or CA Final in each subject, we divided that into 3/4 portion and 1/4 portion. This 3/4 portion, you have to study 100% perfectly. No more chance for compromise in that. Like if you ask me specifically, sir, can I leave the 1/4 entirely and only focus on the 3/4? I will not say to leave entirely, but what I will tell you is, first finish at least 3/4 portion, 70 to 80% of the chapter. Suppose you have 20 chapters in accounts, 15 chapters at least you must be super solid. Now tell me what happens because of this. No matter how hard the paper is coming from, no matter how hard it is, because you studied 15 chapters so strongly, nook and corner, you can easily write the paper with ease. Like I'm telling you, no matter how hard it is, a rarest question has been asked, C category question has been asked in the chapter, a remote question is tested, so and so topic was never tested earlier but now tested, it doesn't affect you because you have studied those 15 chapters with 100% accuracy. And this is what the primary objective of 3/4 strategy. Like again, commonly some students ask me, sir, what about the 1/4? My reply to you straight away is, first finish 3/4, then think about 1/4. First finish 3/4, then think about 1/4. That's it. Okay, I'm not asking you to leave 1/4. I'm asking you to first focus on 3/4, get perfection, make sure you're able to attempt 70 to 80 marks easily. And you know what, in 3/4 strategy recent exam September also, the average marks came from all the subjects. Average is more than 90 marks. For example, accounts we have 1 or 2 marks, law it was 72 marks, taxation it was almost like 94 marks, costing it was 1 or 2 marks, auditing was somewhere around 94 marks, and even FM and SM is also somewhere around 94 to 96 marks. This is the weightage that came from 3/4 strategy. And I'm telling you guys, even in the toughest attempt, even in the toughest paper, for example, law is a very tough paper, 79 marks came from 3/4 strategy chapters which we recommended. And you know what, 1/4 what we kept at, what are the chapters we kept under 1/4? Big chapters like share capital, accounts of the companies, audit, interpretation of statute. These 4 topics are something which are very big. Yes or no? Especially share capital is so lengthy. These topics we told students to keep it as a last priority in, and you know what, these topics occupy 40% of the number of pages of the law book. You go and check, 40%. But you know what, how many marks came from that? Just 30% mark only came from that. Out of 120, only 40 marks came from that. Remaining 80 marks came from rest of the chapters, which are just 60% of the syllabus. In fact, I can say in the law paper, 2/3 strategy itself is enough. But still, I don't want you to be more risky with 2/3. Finish 3/4 syllabus. So this strategy is so powerful. That's it, guys. Okay, take care. All the very best.